Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can change your PC or computer or laptop password in Windows 11. So what you have to do, you just need to follow my steps, and after following my steps you will be able to change your password. So what you have to do, you have to press the window button. As you can see now, as you can see the option for the change your password, you have to click on this. After clicking on this, as you can see, you will see the options like this in your Windows 11. If you are using a Windows 11, you will see some options like this. So as you can see, if your device is supported to facial recognition, you can add that. And if your device supports your fingerprint option, and you can also do that. If you want to add any kind of pin, you have to click on the setup and you will be able to add your pin. So now we are going to move to the password. So as you can see, I've clicked on this, and you can see I want to change, so you have to click on the change. If you didn't add any kind of password, so you can add that. You will see the option of the add. So as you can see now, it's asking me the previous password, so I'm gonna enter that. I'm gonna enter the previous password. So as you can see, I have entered that. Now I have to press the next, and now I have to press the new password. For example, I'm gonna add the new password, and now we have to confirm password again, and now we have to write the password hint. So as you can see, I have written this kind of hint. You can write any kind of hint. If you think sometimes you forget the password, there should be the hint for you, so you can write the hint. If you don't want to add that, you can also do that. Now you have to press the next, and after pressing the next, as you can see now, you have to click on the finish, and now it's done. Your password is changed finally. So you have did that. If you want to change your picture, or if you want to add that, you can also do that. So in this way you can change your password in Windows 11. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can change the password. So see you guys in the next video.